Okay, how is that audio? Turn that up a little bit. All right, I think that's good, hitting that -12. Hey friends, it's been a little while. I've been all over the place. About 3 months ago I moved, then I traveled for a little while, then I moved again, and now I'm in my new house, new office, still getting some things set up. So make sure and hit subscribe because I definitely have some videos coming your way that'll be office tours, some maybe renovations or DIY projects around this office of how I want to get everything set up and dialed in, new desk tour, all of those things once it's all there. And all of a sudden, it's been a couple months since I had regular uploads happening, and it's beanie season. As you can tell, I'm in long sleeve and I got the beanie on from Still Company. Link in the description if you want to check them out. But if you were interested in keeping up with where I've been, probably should have been following me over on Twitter and Instagram, and I'm Aaron Ross, but you also could have been using some AirTags. Well, don't actually do that. That's really creepy and stalkerish and all those things. Don't use AirTags to follow people. But this is what we're talking about today, is AirTags. Now, you might be thinking, these came out like 6 months ago, right? And you would be correct. I'm just getting my hands on some. And not because I didn't want them earlier, I just didn't have a use for them. And now I've come up with a couple of ways that I would like to use them. So I picked up a set of 4 and we're going to talk about them. So again, I got the pack of 4. Now this comes in at $99. You can buy these as one-offs for $29, so you save a little bit of money by going with the 4-pack. Now, what are they? Really, they're just little devices to put on or in something so you don't lose it. It's tapping into Apple's network of other devices and using, I believe, some version of Bluetooth to stay connected and let you know where everything's at within the Find My app. So you can name them and let you know which is which, because obviously these all look exactly the same and I need to know which is which, so when I put them in something or on something, I know which device or item I'm tracking in the Find My app. Now I picked these up to track a couple of things. Some people use them for their keys on their keychain. I don't have a huge problem of losing my keys, so that's not necessarily how I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna throw them in luggage when I'm traveling in case I have to check a bag. I can track that along the way and make sure that that doesn't get lost. Additionally, I'm gonna throw one in my everyday backpack because sometimes I'm out, if I'm at a coffee shop, I accidentally leave that behind. That has a lot of things in it that I want to keep track of and I don't want to lose. Also, if it just gets snagged, I'm able to track that along the way and hopefully recover the products that are in there. And to be honest, that's really it. That's what an AirTag is. You can put it in the things that you care about. You can put it on a wallet or in a purse or in any sort of little bag or pocket of some sort that you want to keep track of something. That's the extent of what an AirTag is. And again, they all show up in the Find My app, and on your iPhone, it can even play a little game of warmer or colder with you if you'd like to feel like a kid in tracking one of these down. Let's say, again, you lost your keys, you can play that game on your phone and find them. But two quick specs that I wanted to highlight is battery life. Now these have a little battery in them that Apple says should last up to about a year, and you can actually replace these yourself. And your iPhone's gonna let you know when they're getting a little low so that you can replace them in time before they just die on you when you might actually need them. And the second is that they're water resistant. So you don't have to worry about rain if they're on your keys or maybe on the outside of your luggage in some way. But I wouldn't necessarily be jumping in a pool or showering with these things, but they have that little bit of water resistance for peace of mind. So those are the AirTags. It's gonna be a quick video here for you today, but that's really it. Those are AirTags. But until next time, and it's definitely gonna be less than a month this time, I'm gonna go make something. I hope you do too.